Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. A lot of people reach out to me. They want to know about some attributes of specific to their driver numbers. Because when we make any content, sometimes we do it on a general basis. That doesn't give the idea of about a specific driver number. So I thought of making a series of driver numbers where I'll be talking about driver numbers, each driver number for that particular day, so that you know about the physical attributes, the health, career, lucky number, lucky color, love life of that driver number specifically. So we'll start with driver number 3 because the person who has suggested this, he's driver number 3. So I'll start with that. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos. So when you're saying driver number 3, that means if you're born on 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of the month, that makes you driver number 3. It's being ruled by the planet called Jupiter. It's the planet of knowledge. So these people are very knowledgeable people, very intelligent people. They do everything from a standpoint of knowledge. They want to do everything principally correct, very honest people, and sometimes they take up responsibilities of their family at a very early stage or age of life. Sometimes it happens, you might see. Like Jupiter, it is the biggest planet, it is the largest planet in the solar system. So these people also want to do everything big in life, and they can do also, provided they channelize their energy and choice of profession in the right direction. Now let's talk about the health of this driver number people 3. I would say that these people are very prone to skin related issues. So if you're driver number 3 and you're watching this video, be very careful and take care of your skin very well. Other than that, they might suffer sometimes hypertension or liver issues, but priority will be skin. So please take care of your skin and don't neglect this. Now I will talk about the lucky number and lucky color of driver number 3. Lucky number would be 3 itself and 9. That means the people who are born on 9th, 18th, 27th of the month will be lucky for driver number 3 people. And 3 itself, it will be very lucky for them. Lucky number, by this I want to mean, if you want to do any business meetings, if you have any option, postpone your meeting, prepone or postpone your meeting dates to these numbers, which is lucky for you. Like your house number, car number, your name spell should be around these numbers. And if you talk about lucky color, then orange, pink, yellow will be lucky for you. Again, lucky color means the number, the color which gives you more energy, more vibration. Suppose you're going for a meeting or an interview, don't wear dark blue or black on that particular day. So all your positive energy might get drained. So instead of that, you please wear pink, orange, yellow. These colors will be good for you. Opposite number or enemy number or unlucky number will be number 6. That means the people who are born on 6th, 15th, 24th of the month or on these dates are unlucky for them, for driver number 3 people. There is a reason for that, because driver number 3 is basically the Jupiter planet, which is the god of knowledge, and number 6, which is the Venus ruled and god of demon. So definitely this knowledge and demon god, they don't go hand in hand, they don't go together well. So naturally there is a clash. So anything coming on your way as number 6, be it your name spell or your house number, car number, important dates in your life, avoid number 6. Now talk about physical appearance of this driver number 3 people. Like the planet is the bigger, the larger planet, these people are also little on a healthier or on a hefty side. They are not very tall per se. Some people are there, but averagely these people are not very tall people. They are average height people, but on a little heavier or a healthier side. There is also a reason for this. These people are very foodie people. They cannot control their diet or food habits. So naturally they get little healthy, but as they represent Jupiter planet, since it is also a healthier planet, it's a bigger planet, so they also look little big. And so they want to do in their life, they want to do big, and they do big also in their lives. So now come the career of driver number 3 people. Finance sector, service sector, healing profession, teaching profession will be very good for them, especially if they become doctor. They can become very good doctors. So if you're a student, if you haven't decided your profession yet, and you're driver number 3, please consider these options as your career, and they can do very good. There's one more catch actually here. These people who are driver number 3, if they are having more than one 3 in their birth charts. Let's say a people is born on 3rd of March 1993. Automatically 3 times it's coming in their birth chart, 3. So these people becomes very outspoken. These people very talkative. And if your partner is having more than 1 3 in their birth charts, please be very careful. Please be very patient while talking to them. Otherwise, there's a chance of the relationship getting spoiled. One more interesting fact, as per the research, we know this 3, 12, 21, 30, all are driver number 3. But all the numbers are not equally powerful. The most powerful number would be 12, and then 21, and then 30, and then 3. Why? Because 12 is more powerful. Because 1 is actually the sun-driven number and 2 is the moon-driven number. So sun and moon, when it's getting combined and giving you driver number 3, which is Jupiter. So it becomes the most powerful number. I'll give you one classic example. Swami Vivekananda, he's born on 12th January 1863. His driver number is 3, which is 12. And if you do the sum total of all the numbers, 12 January 1863, the conductor will become 4. When this combination is having in anybody's birth chart, like driver 3 and conductor 4, that person becomes excellent speaker. And we all know about Swami Vivekananda. We don't need to talk about him. So check if you're driver number 3, and if you're also conductor 4, or if you have anybody around who's having this combination, watch. I'm sure he or she is a very good or an excellent speaker. Watch this or note it. Now comes to the love life, which is the most interesting part of driver number 3. Though love doesn't depend on any number, it doesn't depend on any numerological calculation also, it just happens. But still, if you haven't chosen your partner, if you're still not married, then you can choose your life partner as driver number 3 and driver number 9, because those are the most lucky numbers. See, there is no hard and fast formula for a successful marriage or a happy marriage. Sometimes it happens that you can see that a driver number 3 people is partnered with driver number 6. I have already mentioned driver number 6 cannot go with driver number 3, but still sometimes you'll see that both the partners having anti-combination but still are happy in marriage. So happy marriage formula or happy marriage definition, happy marriage dependency is not only on the driver number. There are other aspects also. I'm sure there are other factors which is driving their marriage. So if you're already in the marriage and you happen to see that your partner is an anti-combination, So don't worry, there are small remedies. You can DM me, you can comment me below. I can tell you through which you can do it throughout your life, and you can still have a happy marriage. There are a lot of examples, are live examples where partners are anti-combination, opposite combination, but still in a happy married life. So there is no formula to it. If you're facing any challenges, do let me know in comments or DM me. I can guide you through it. So we have talked about health, physical appearance, career, lucky number, lucky color, almost everything about this driver number. Next week, I'll bring some other driver number and talk about it in detail on this attributes. So please keep a watch, and till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.